Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops without a mold. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring delicious results. You will need just a few basic ingredients like granulated sugar, water, and light corn syrup. Prepare your workspace by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Then, arrange your lollipop sticks, leaving about 3 inches between each one, ready for the candy mixture. Next, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect lollipop texture. Once the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. This is the exciting part where you add your personal touch. Quickly and carefully stir in a few drops of your favorite food coloring and 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of flavor extract. Popular choices include cherry, strawberry, or even peppermint. Remember to work swiftly, as the candy will start to cool and thicken very quickly. Now, using a clean spoon or a heat-resistant dropper, carefully pour small, round portions of the hot candy mixture onto the prepared lollipop sticks on your baking sheet. Aim for a diameter of about 2 inches for each lollipop. Allow them to cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely hard and firm. Once cooled, gently peel them off the parchment paper and wrap each one individually in cellophane to keep them fresh and prevent sticking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.